Hello, I'm Emma. Let's learn together. Kitchen routine in English. Cook, eat, clean. Hi, friends. Ready to speak English? Repeat after me. What time do you wake up? Say it. After I get up, I go to the kitchen. Where are you now? Say, I'm in the kitchen. I open the fridge. What's in your fridge? Milk? Eggs? Tell me. I take eggs. How many? 1? 2? Say, I take 2 eggs. I turn on the stove. Guess. Hot or cold? Of course it's hot. I fry eggs. Do you like fried eggs? Yes? Say, yes, I like eggs. I make a sandwich. What do you put in a sandwich? Cheese? Tomato? I taste it. Yummy. Taste with me. Say, delicious. I eat breakfast. Nom nom. Are you hungry now? Say, I'm hungry. Dirty dishes, ready? Say, yes, let's clean. I take the dirty plates. Take your plate. Say, I take the plate. I put them in the sink. Where do you put dishes? Sink or dishwasher? I turn on the water. I add dish soap. Do you like bubbles? Say, I like bubbles. I wash the plates. Wash with me. I wash. I wash the cups, spoons, forks, knife. Be careful with the knife. Repeat it. I rinse with water. I dry with a towel. Dry. I put the plates away. In the cupboard. Where do you put plates? I wipe the counter. To wipe. I sweep the floor. To sweep. I mop the floor. To mop. Shiny. Let's repeat our verbs and use them in the sentences. Wash, rinse, dry, put away, wipe, sweep, mop. I wash the plates. I rinse it with water. I dry the dishes. I put away the utensils. I wipe the counter. I sweep and mop. You are amazing. Practice in your kitchen every day. Like, subscribe, comment. My kitchen is clean. See you next time. Bye-bye.